Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be spray painting this console table that I purchased from Ross. And I'm going to use this spray paint that is from Walmart. It is called Hammered Silver. So I'm going to start off by spray painting the front. And I will say that if you're going to do any spray painting, the best thing to do, which I didn't do, was to maybe get like a piece of cardboard, and as you're spray painting it, just put it behind the area that you're going to spray paint first, so that way the spray paint won't get everywhere. Because for some reason, I don't know why, the wind was blowing even though it was like 75, 77 degrees outside. But yeah, so that way it won't be messy as you're doing it, because I did get spray paint in areas outside on my balcony where I didn't want to, but it doesn't look that bad. Now, this didn't take too long to dry. I didn't bring it in the house until it was late at night, maybe about like 10 o'clock, because I wanted to make sure that it dried thoroughly. But yeah, so I'm just making sure that I didn't miss any areas. And I really like the way it turned out. You will see how it turned out later on in the video. And also in this video, I will be styling it, because this does go in my living room area. So you will see how I styled it. And I didn't use the whole can of spray paint, so I can use it for something else. But the spray paint, I think it was like maybe like $4 at Walmart. Now the spray paint that I did want, I didn't see it. I wanted the chrome finish, kind of like the mirror spray paint, and I didn't see it. I know I probably could have found it at Home Depot, but my Walmart didn't have any. The only kind they had was the gold. So I'm just finishing up. To style this console table, I'm going to use these two candle holders that are from Ross. Now, if you go to your local Ross, sometimes they have them and sometimes they don't. But the best thing is to check it out every week just to be sure. And these vases that I'm using are from Z Gallery. I really like these. So I'm just going to sit those in the middle. And I'm going to add this decorative bowl that is from Home Goods. It's black and it has the silver sparkly specks in it. So I'm going to add these two tea light handle holders that are from Z Gallery. They are beaded. And I just sat those on top of the candle holders. And in this vase, these sticks are from, I believe they're from Michaels. These are pretty old. And I'm going to add these black tulips that are my favorite. They are from Amazon. So I'm just going to place those in the smaller vase. And any links that I have, I will put in the description box. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. So to put in the decorative bowl, I'm going to add these silver spears. These are from Burlington. And you can find these in Burlington, Ross. They come in a bag. And this is the overall look. Now make sure you keep watching because there is something that I want to show you that I found at Walmart. You might want to check that out. So just watch it until the end. All right, so this is what I wanted to show y'all that I found at Walmart. These are by Better Homes and Gardens. These panels, when I saw them, now I didn't buy them, but they put me in mind of the curtain panels that were in my living room area that are from Z Gallerie, and that's what these put me in mind of. So they sold them as, what, it sells as one panel for $14.97. This one is the dark gray. The first one that you saw is a lighter gray. So I thought these were really pretty. They're 84 inches and they're good quality. If you know anything about Better Homes and Gardens, they have good quality home decor pieces, and they also have it in this color. It's like a ivory color, and like I said, they're $14.97. so you might want to go out to your local Walmart and purchase these. I thought these were so nice. I should have bought me a pair, but they're really beautiful. And I also found these dinner plates. It's the dinner plate, the salad plate, and the bowl at Walmart. Now they do sell them individually. I think they were like $4 something each. So I thought this was just too beautiful. It puts me in mind of the Mackenzie Childs dinner plates. That's what it put me in mind of. And so y'all know I did have to purchase these. And so y'all make sure y'all tune in Wednesday for my haul video because I did purchase some other things. So that is it. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you share my videos, turn on the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.